Hi guys and girls on YouTube, welcome to my channel. Well, this isn't a repair video, this is a warning video if you've got one of these musical fidelity M3 NU-Vista amplifiers. Now you would have thought spending an awful lot of money gets you a lot of quality, obviously not. So that's the amp in question. That is the separate power supply for it. And the power supply connects to the amplifier through these great thick leads that are nearly as thick as my finger. So you can see how much power we can actually feed into this amplifier through them leads. Right, let's just get the top off and I'll show you what the problem is. Incidentally, the customer says one channel's gone off. So we'll just take a quick look at the good channel first. So you can see the output of the amplifier is driven by 4 SAP15s, and if we look over here, we've got some capacitors that appear to be made in Germany. I mean, you look at that, you would think it does look like some sort of quality capacitor, but if you look there, you'll see these black specks everywhere. Now this lead, this enormously thick lead here, goes into a relay and then it comes out into the speaker connection, and if we look there, the 2 speaker posts are actually, there's 4 speaker posts, these are actually connected in parallel through this massive great big thick lead here. But what you'll notice is these black specks everywhere. So let's take a look at what I think the problem is. Obviously it's not worth repairing, this is scrap, unless you can get a new board, but just let me show you what I think the problem started out with. So here on the back you can see there's more capacitors there. Can you see that one there? Let me just get a bit more light onto this. Yeah, so I've got a bit more light on. Can you see that capacitor there? It's leaking electrolyte and it's all dripping onto that board. So if we look at the good side here, you've got a nice green board here with 4 big capacitors on and that enormous speaker wire coming out. Now let's turn to the other side, and this is what is so alarming. That board is actually so black, these capacitors look like they've caught fire, and your green board there is so black it's unrecognisable. And that big thick wire that's all melted there, that is one of the speaker outlets. In fact, you can see by that how hot that solder's actually got. Now, I don't know if we can get a better view of this. I'll just stop the camera and see if you can get a better view. I've got a little bit more light on it. One capacitor split there, it's come off the board, it's leaked to electrolyte. The board is just completely blacked out. I don't know if we can get a shot down the back of it. I'll have a go, but you can see where all them speaker wires are melted. That is horrendous. And if we look at this, you can see all the bits, the little bit burnt bits everywhere. I mean, look at all that. Now I don't know if we can see down there. You can see there where the capacitors come off the board and it started leaking, and that's obviously what started the fire in it. So there we go, that's where your AC power goes in from your power supply through them big leads. There's your speaker contacts that are both paralleled up. Can we see down there? Look at that, it's just completely burnt. Everything's completely burnt out on that board. It's absolutely destroyed. So, no repair on this. What I'll be doing is I'll be advising the customer to send this back to Musical Fidelity, because this has obviously been a fire hazard Absolutely shocking. Alright guys and girls on YouTube, many thanks for watching my video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.